Pro-life world. We've been doing this for a couple years now. Yeah. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. Knowing God just put me through a test. It's funny how you change, I guess it come with the game. Young nigga selling his soul just for the fame. I was just moving too slow, had to change the lane. That legal had my mind gone, blowing out my brains. It's hard to maintain when you only got change. Can't stay in one spot, looking for a change. It's hard to keep sane when you're doing the same thing. Now it's time for a change, I'm trying to have things. Common sense and knowledge is something we all lack. They turn their nose at us, it's probably cause we black. That right there is enough to make you feel trapped. Tired of getting slapped, so sober mind's where I'm at. I'm just speaking facts and hoping you feel that. And about time you hear this, my life will be on track. It's for life forever with another real rap. It's for life forever with another real rap. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. Knowing God just put me through a test. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. I'm too blessed to be stressed, I can't settle for less. Knowing God just put me through a test.
I've been down so many times, the only way now is up. Some probably talk about me bad, but I don't give a fuck. Because I got my team and my fan with me. That's just enough for me while I stack this green in the fair dreams. Before I hurt my knee, trying to take my fam out this H-double-O-D. You will never understand the shit I've been through. Except my nigga straight tip, troll and T-Brew. Papa was a rolling stone, he was never really there. Sometimes I question myself, man, do we really care? Life is really hard, this shit ain't never fair. And you can never be me, you can't even compare. I keep my eyes on the prize, nigga. Never move before you strategize. Lord knows I had to lost my faith. Now the only thing I see is cake. It's for life, nigga.
It's funny how you change, I guess it come with the game. It's funny how you change, I guess it come with the game. It's funny how you change, I guess it come with the game. Young nigga selling his soul just for the fame, nigga.
That personal shit, dog. I'm about to get these women something to think about, man.
It's for life, nigga.
Females, dog. For life, nigga.
It's for life,
Lord,
nigga.
you bless me, but I'm stressing. Still progressing, trying to get this shit off my chest so I could believe in blessings. I be trying to change so often, and so often that I'm stressing. I swear I done learned so much from life, I can't explain the lesson. And how you learned your lesson without a question, like it was destined. One fuck up I'm done, you say it's wrong, I believe in progression with no exception. For me to really care instead of thinking undressing. Cause the grind and obsession, making love only a suggestion. My body made to protect, and my mind is a weapon to slice you up in a second. So I run away from these women, run toward my profession. What you put in is what you get out, opposite with affection. So I'm headed down this one way, no thoughts of changing direction. Why apologize when there's no thoughts of correction? Being by myself is something I done thought about accepting. So if you can't accept me for me, I suggest you start stepping, cause I ain't stressing.